This week on TJP News, happy landings for drones, whiz kids tackle security, an HR department in your computer. I'm Jeff Hopkins. Let's take a closer look at the top stories from the startup nation. Drones, you are now cleared for landing, exactly where you're supposed to. For a long time, drones have been able to fly and even land autonomously. But when it comes time to land, what if something's in its way, like valuable property, or in the worst case, a person? That's a problem Wonder Robotics is trying to fix. Their system provides any drone with the capability to land completely autonomously by detecting structures, low and high profile obstacles, and even human activity. This is done using computer sensing and machine learning algorithms and by guiding the drone through a clear path to a safe landing. Wonder Robotics enables an accurate landing within a few centimeters accuracy, allowing it to land on charging stations or drone mailboxes quickly and accurately, even if that destination was not in the drone's database before takeoff. Founded 2 years ago, Wonder Robotics is now entering its seed round and has 5 full-time and 2 part-time employees. Aside from that, it has received support from the Israel Innovation Authority and already has customers in the defense field. We're off to see the whiz. An Israel cybersecurity unicorn whiz has become the 4th most valuable venture-backed cybersecurity company in the world, raising $250 million on a $6 billion valuation less than 2 years after its founding. This is just 6 months after a $350 million funding round at a $1.7 billion valuation. Wiz's cloud-native product is in use by dozens of clients, including 15% of the Fortune 500. The company employs 180 people, mostly in Israel and the U.S. Wiz's founder says their expanded war chest will allow the company to pursue mergers and acquisitions should a good opportunity arise. Wiz was founded in January of 2020 and emerged from stealth in December of that year with $100 million in Series A funding. Looks like Wiz is definitely one to watch. And in more unicorn news, the Tel Aviv-based startup HiBob, the company behind human resources management platform Bob, is entering the Unicorn Club with a $150 million funding round at $1.65 billion in valuation. The company aims to simplify employer-employee communication and management in growing companies and help them adapt to the new employment world. HiBob employs 300 people, a significant increase from the 170 workers it had only a year ago when it was forced to do layoffs. Its clients include fast-growing companies, and its platform Bob also closely integrates with third parties such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Mercer. Are you interested in investing in Israel and the startup nation? TJP is the perfect investment vehicle. Visit thejerusalemportfolio.com for your stake in Israel's booming economy.